Oh, Africa, motherland of rhythm, motherland of dreams. From the deserts to the oceans, from the mountains to the plains, a light is rising from within, a light no darkness can contain. When the morning sun touches the earth, the drums awaken with a song of birth. Golden rays spread across the land, painting hope with a gentle hand. I see children running through the streets, dancing freely to ancestral beats. Their laughter echoes through the air, a reminder that the future is there. The rivers flow with stories untold, of warriors brave and hearts of gold, of generations who stood their ground when the world tried to bring them down. Yet through every storm and every fight, Africa protected its sacred light, a flame that burns beyond the pain, a promise that will always remain. Lift your eyes and you will see a brighter dawn for you and me. No chain can hold what God designed. Africa's light was made to shine. You are the light of Africa, burning brighter than the stars above. You are the light of Africa, a symbol of hope, strength and love. No matter how dark the night may be, your light keeps shining endlessly. You are the light of Africa, the light of Africa. Hear the talking drums calling out, speaking faith louder than doubt. Their rhythm carries through the years, beyond the struggles, beyond the tears. From ancient kingdoms built to pride, to modern dreams standing side by side, the spirit remains forever strong, a melody inside every song. I see the artists painting skies, the visionaries opening eyes, the builders shaping history, creating a new reality. I see the farmers planting seeds, the teachers answering tomorrow's needs, the dreamers reaching for the sky, refusing to let ambition die. You are the light of Africa, burning brighter than the stars above. You are the light of Africa, a symbol of hope, strength and love. No matter how dark the night may be, your light keeps shining endlessly. You are the light of Africa, the light of Africa. Across the valleys, across the hills, a new generation is climbing still, not afraid of the road ahead, guided by dreams instead. The world can see the rising flame, the continent rewriting its name, breaking limits, crossing lines, creating futures by design. Every language, every sound, every culture that can be found as another color to the light, making the continent shine bright. The heartbeat grows stronger every day, lighting up a brand new way for every child who dares to dream, for every voice that dares to sing. And when the clouds try to hide the sun, when the journey feels too long to run, remember who you are inside. A river no mountain can divide. Remember the strength in your veins, the wisdom gained to joy let the drums continue to play. Let the voices continue to sing. Let the dream continue to grow, for the light was never lost. It was always there, waiting to rise. Africa, the light of Africa. When the morning sun touches the earth, when the morning sun touches the earth, when the morning sun touches the earth, the drums awaken with the song of birth. Golden rays spread across the land, painting hope with a gentle hand. I see children running through the streets, dancing free to ancestral beats. Their laughter